Okay guys, I have an avocado, some potatoes, a sausage, and a little egg with some ketchup on the side. So this is gonna be Sunday's breakfast. So we just got some In-N-Out heading to the beach. So we're out here in Carpinteria in Santa Barbara. Kids are playing. We just got here from the beach, but the kids wanted a shower, so we just came to the park really quick. Yeah. Okay guys, it's the morning, Sunday morning. We just came to this little beach before we head out. The kids. Mommy, yes. Yeah, the moon's up there, baby. I hear it coming. Let's go. Wow. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Okay guys, we made it down. It was a really high cliff. It's like over there on the edge. But we're here. There's that boat over there. Okay guys, we're on our way home and we just stopped here. I think it's like Ventura, no, San Paula or Baldwin. And we're just gonna get some Wingstop. So was Scarlet, but so I had to go to the urgent care, guys. I got sick over the weekend at the beach.